This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with safety and signal clarity. Power everything off and pick balanced XLR or TRS cables to reduce noise. Connect the mixer's main outputs to the equalizer inputs, making sure channel labels match. This preserves stereo imaging. Set gain and EQ to unity or flat so you have a neutral baseline. Once done, double-check cable seating and pinouts. Correct wiring prevents hum and phase issues. This initial chain establishes a clean signal path for the rest of the setup. Once the mixer feeds the equalizer, route the equalizer outputs to the amplifier inputs or to the mixer returns if using inserts. This depends on whether EQ is channel or master. Adjust gain staging so meters peak around -6 to -3 decibels, avoiding clipping while preserving headroom. Make sure phase switches and ground lift options are set correctly to prevent hum and phase cancellation. As you tweak, listen critically and solo channels to verify each link in the chain is clean and coherent. Power up in sequence. Mixer first, equalizer second, and amplifier last to avoid speaker pops. Play a full-range test signal and apply gentle EQ changes while watching levels. This helps you hear the effect and catch distortion early. If you encounter hum or noise, make sure cables are balanced, swap one cable at a time, and try the equalizer or amp ground lift. This isolates the fault. If phase issues appear, flip phase switch or reverse input pins to restore proper summing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.